Xiaomi is a Chinese-based tech company that is famous for its tech products. On today's video, we have some advanced car gadgets from Xiaomi. This wireless car charger not only supports 20-watt fast battery charging feature, it also has strong clouds that can support your smartphone. It also comes with Type-C port to charge other devices which do not support wireless charging feature. This dashcam from Xiaomi has been equipped with advanced features and technologies such as 140-degree ultra-wide camera and is able to record videos of the highest quality even in a dark environment. The Xiaomi Dashcam 1S can also be connected to your smartphone via the My Home applications, which makes it more convenient. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for those who always want to make sure that their car is clean and tidy. The Xiaomi Cleanfy vacuum cleaner has an ergonomic design and can suck up all the dust and dirt on your car. This tire inflator is used to regulate the wind pressure on your car's tires. It can also fill the air in the car tires. However, you have to be patient when you're filling up your tire using this modern design tire inflator. This car charger from Xiaomi has the USB Type-A port, which can recharge to a smartphone simultaneously. It supports Quick Charge 3, which can fully recharge battery energy in a short time. The Xiaomi Dual QC3 also has USB Type-C that can be used as a connector for other gadgets.